Pak, tadi Trump bilang takut sama Bapak, katanya takut.
Enggak, bercanda.
Tambahannya, Pak.
Bapak tadi gimana
Sedikit,
KTP
Bapak.
Court of
Hari ini
Peace-nya?
pertama.
Ya, alhamdulillah tadi berjalan dengan baik, lancar ya. Kita lihat kemajuan yang sudah dicapai. Sementara saya kira aliran bantuan makan, bantuan kebutuhan rakyat Gaza saya kira tertinggi selama beberapa tahun. Jadi makan cukup, kebutuhan lain mengalir deras. Kemudian kita lihat rencana ke depan nampaknya sangat serius ya. Tadi walaupun kita bertekad untuk ini berhasil karena ini memberi harapan perdamaian ya, walaupun tadi saya juga dalam statement singkat saya juga ingatkan banyak kesulitan masih di depan, banyak hambatan, rintangan ya, obstacles, tapi ya kita harus bertekad untuk mencapai keberhasilan demi rakyat Palestina ya. Kita tentunya komit ya, tadi beberapa negara-negara Muslim semua menegaskan komitmen kita untuk benar-benar mencapai lasting peace and the only lasting peace. Dalam beberapa statement kita ya, negara-negara yang kelompok 8, kelompok negara-negara Muslim yang diundang pertama kali untuk melaksanakan atau ikut dalam usaha Board of Peace ini, kita ya, bagi kita the only long-lasting solution is a two-state solution. Tapi kita juga tegaskan bahwa kita berusaha keras, dan kalau secara real saya lihat rencana-rencananya sangat besar dan jauh kondisi dan masa depan rakyat Gaza akan jauh lebih baik. Tentunya kita harus waspada kelompok-kelompok yang ingin selalu menggagalkan penyelesaian menyeluruh ya, pasti ada dari semua pihak. Saya kira itu statement saya.
Pak,
Ya.
tadi Trump bilang takut sama Bapak, katanya takut.
Enggak, bercanda.
Tambahannya, Pak.
Pak, soal pengiriman pasukan gimana Pak? Komitmen?
Ya kita siap, kita tegas.
Kapan Pak kira-kira akan dikirim?
Mungkin ya kelompok-kelompok advance mungkin tidak lama lah, mungkin 1-2 bulan ini juga ya.
Pak, soal penunjukan ISF Pak?
Tadi kan ditunjuk jadi wakil komandan ISF. Pak.
Iya, mereka minta kita jadi deputy commander. Ya.
Strateginya, Pak?
Seperti apa, Pak?
Hah?
Strateginya seperti apa ya?
Strategi? Maksudnya strategi apa?
Jika dipilih menjadi wakil komander ini seperti apa?
Ya dipilih ya kita cari yang bagus ya.
Tugasnya mungkin.
Oke, terima kasih.
Pertemuan bilateral sama Presiden Trump kemarin itu bahas apa aja sih, Pak?
Iya, kita bahas masalah perdagangan di antara kedua negara. Ya, perundingan sudah cukup lama, akhirnya ketemu, saling menguntungkan, saling menghormati. Saya kira bagus ya.
Kemarin Indonesia jadi negara satu-satunya yang di pertemuan bilateral setelah BOP, Pak. Mungkin ada pembahasan lebih dalam setelah itu, Pak?
Intinya itu, kita kan termasuk yang mungkin paling lama ya berunding soal tarif itu perdagangan. Tapi baguslah hasilnya. Ya.
Kemarin Bapak ketemu pemimpin perusahaan-perusahaan investasi besar dunia, mungkin bisa diceritakan sedikit, Pak?
Ya, mereka menyampaikan mereka sangat tertarik sama Indonesia, mereka confident, mereka lihat iklimnya membaik terus, mereka positif terhadap ekonomi kita. Ya.
Keputusan Supreme Court kan Amerika Serikat membatalkan dari Supreme Court, arahan Bapak selanjutnya sebenarnya.
Ya, kita siap untuk menghadapi semua kemungkinan. Kita hormati politik dalam negeri Amerika Serikat. Ya, kita lihat perkembangannya. Ya.
Angka 10% ini menguntungkan Indonesia nggak Pak?
Saya kira ya menguntungkan lah. Ya, kita siap untuk menghadapi segala kemungkinan.
Oke,
Ya.
terima kasih Pak.
Sehat-sehat Bapak.
Great country. A man that I really like a lot he's definitely tough. I don't want to fight him. President Prabowo of Indonesia, thank you very much. Please, this is a big guy. I tell you, I said, how many people in Indonesia? He said like 240 million. I said, no, say it again. How many? It's a big country you have. And you do a great job and respected by everybody. And thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much, Mr. President. President Tokayev of Kazakhstan, thank you very much. What a country that is. It's a wonderful country and a rich country, in case anybody has any question. We have some very rich people here today. President Osmani of Kosovo. President, thank you very much. Great job you're doing, too. Thank you very much. Prime Minister Sharif, I like this man, of Pakistan, because there was some fighting going on when I got to know him, and your Field Marshal, General, great general, great Field Marshal, a great guy. And I got to meet the Prime Minister. And he said in front of our Chief of Staff, Susie Wells, who's right here, he said, you know, nobody knows this, but I believe that President Trump saved 25 million lives when he stopped the war between us and India, right? You made that statement. I said 25 million lives, could have been much more actually, but it was really a beautiful thing. You said that in front of a group of people they walked out. They don't think about it, but you're talking about that kind of lives. That war was raging. Planes were being shot down, right? And it was Pakistan and India. And I got on the phone with both of them, and I knew them a little bit. I knew Prime Minister Modi very well, actually. But I got to know Pakistan through a little trade. They were trying to make too good a deal, and I got a little upset with them. And in the end, they got what they wanted, right? And they made a good deal. And I got to like them, the Prime Minister, the Field Marshal, who's a tough man, good fighter, right? Good, serious fighter. I like good fighters, actually. And when I heard that they were fighting, I picked up a certain newspaper. I won't tell you which one, because it's fake news generally. But I picked up this newspaper, and I saw that Pakistan and India were really going at it. And then it got worse and worse, and many planes were shot down. It was all out. And I called them, and I said, listen, I'm not doing trade deals with you two guys if you don't settle this up. They said, no, that has both of them. They didn't want to do that. I said, no, it has to. If you don't do it, I'm not doing a trade deal. We're not doing a trade deal. And they do a lot of business with the United States, and they sort of softened up all of a sudden. Then all of a sudden I read where there was a little bit of a pullback by one, then the other, and all of a sudden we worked out a deal, right? But I said, if you fight, I'm going to put 200% tariffs on each of your countries, which essentially makes you not allowed, you can't do any business. One of them, I won't say which one, said, no, can't do that. They both wanted to fight. But when it came to money, it's not like money. When it came to losing a lot of money, they said, I guess we don't want to fight. And we solved that deal in 2-3 days, right? And we did. We said, these are two very powerful nations. These are two nuclear nations. And I don't want to say what was going to happen, but, bad things happen. So, Prime Minister, I want to thank you, because that was a very big deal. People have no idea. A lot of them say, oh, well, they weren't fighting. They were fighting.
Subscribe, share, like, and comment. 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 Subscribe, share, like, and comment.